Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening System Settings immediately. This puts the controls at hand. Click the Apple menu, choose System Settings. On older Mac OS, use System Preferences. Once there, go to Displays and then look for Lock, Screen, or Battery and Power sections depending on your Mac OS version. Make sure you have an administrator account signed in because some timeout options require permission. While you navigate, note whether your Mac is on battery or plugged in, since timeout options can differ between power states. Now change the actual timeout values. In Displays or Lock Screen settings, locate the Turn Display Off or Screen Sleep slider and drag to the desired minutes. Some Mac OS versions label it as Screensaver or Lock Timer. If your Mac shows separate options for battery and charger, set them independently so you save power on battery. Also enable or adjust Require Password after sleep or screensaver to control when the lock engages. Once configured, the display behavior and security will follow these new intervals. Finish by applying and testing your settings. Lock the screen or wait for the timeout to ensure it behaves as expected. If changes fail to stick after a restart, reset NVRAM/PRAM or SMC on Intel Macs as a targeted fix. The reset often restores correct power and display behavior. Also check for background apps like video players, presentation utilities, or power management tools that may override system timers. Quit or reconfigure them. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or create a new.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.